Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Google Pay with Trust Wallet. While Trust Wallet doesn't directly integrate Google Pay, you can leverage it through various third-party payment providers available within the app. We'll walk through the process of selecting a cryptocurrency, choosing a provider that accepts Google Pay, and completing your purchase. This easy guide will help you navigate the options and successfully acquire digital assets. First, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. On the main screen, you'll typically find a Buy button or similar option. Tap this to proceed. Next, you'll need to select the specific cryptocurrency you intend to purchase, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. After choosing your asset, Trust Wallet will present you with a list of various third-party providers that facilitate these transactions. Now, carefully review the list of third-party providers. Each provider will have different fees, purchase limits, and supported payment methods. Look for one that explicitly states Google Pay as an accepted option. Once you've made your selection, you'll be redirected to the provider's platform to finalize the purchase. Follow their prompts, enter the amount, and choose Google Pay to complete your secure transaction. After completing the payment through Google Pay on the third-party platform, it's crucial to confirm all transaction details. Double-check the amount and the cryptocurrency you are buying. Once confirmed, the purchased cryptocurrency will be sent directly to your Trust Wallet address. Please allow a few minutes for the transaction to process and for the funds to appear in your wallet. You've successfully used Google Pay to acquire crypto.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.